Hey, this video is going to go over how to add a checklist to a client. So what you're going to want to do in the left navigation bar is go to Clients and then View Clients, and that'll bring you to your client database. So to add a checklist, you'll see this icon right here that looks kind of like a checklist. You just click that, and there's a drop down, and in here will be a checklist that you've already created. If you haven't created a checklist yet, we have a video in the Getting Started section of the knowledge base that goes over how to create your custom checklist. So I've already done that, so I'm going to go ahead and choose mine, and I'm going to click Submit. And you'll see right here the checklist has populated. Now I can do this as many times as I want and have as many checklists here as I want. So you'll see my checklist is currently at 0%. I have two options here. I can click here and open it, or I can click here and delete it. So I'm going to click here and open it, and this is my checklist. So basically, as you do things, you can mark them off, and it marks them. And then I click Submit, and you'll see that the status changed. So this checklist is approximately 50% complete. So I can go back in here, I can check another one off, go back, open it up, and now it's 75% complete. So that's it, guys. That's how you add a checklist to a client.